This isn't rice at all. It's a root vegetable, transformed by machines into something almost impossible to tell apart. It starts here, with ordinary cassava roots, pulled straight from the earth. Each root looks nothing like rice, dense, starchy, and almost too tough to imagine changing. From this moment, the transformation begins, and there's no going back to being just a root. Inside, the roots meet water for the first time, and the real work finally begins. Every trace of skin and soil is stripped away, leaving only clean, starchy flesh behind. Clean, peeled, and ready pinkrenchu, the cassava is about to lose its shape entirely. This is where the root disappears completely, shredded into something entirely new. What's left barely resembles a root anymore, Kankiv. Just a soft, starchy mass, ready to be pressed. Almost all the water is gone now, Capro. What remains is dense, dry, and ready for its final shape. Before it can become rice, this dense cake must be broken apart and left to change on its own. Left to sit, natural fermentation begins, softening the starch and building the flavor of real rice. Each granule is nearly ready, fine, dry, and finally close to the size and texture of real rice. This is the moment it finally happens. Shapeless granules, pressed into something that looks exactly like rice.
Every grain is checked for size, cleaned. Only the most consistent ones move forward from here.
The shape is set now. What's left is drying it into something that lasts and tastes right.
Now the moisture has to go, slowly, evenly, until every grain holds its shape on its own.
A light roast finishes the job, locking in texture, so it cooks and tastes like the real thing.
Dried, roasted, and cooled, it finally looks, feels, and moves exactly like rice.
One last check now, homemade. Every grain sorted by size, so the final product feels perfectly uniform.
Consistency is everything now. Every batch is measured against the same exacting standard. Sorted, sized, and consistent production. Every grain is now ready for its final inspection. Nothing moves forward until it passes here, Yule. Every batch checked before it earns the name rice.
Cooled evenly now, so nothing clumps, softens, or loses shape before it reaches a shelf. Every grain has earned its place now. Entine, clean, tested, and finally ready for a bag. This is the final step. The moment cassava, reshaped again and again, becomes a bag of rice. A root from the ground, now feeding tables far beyond the field it grew in.